안녕하세요. In this video, we are diving into the sentence structure. Also, we'll take a brief look at subject and object markers. Ready? Let's get started. In English, we are used to the subject, verb, object. But Korean sentence structure is subject, object, and verb by putting the who and what first and the action last. Making Korean sentence is like a puzzle. You add subject and object markers after the words. Remember, if the subject ends with a consonant, it's in. If it ends with a vowel, it's 는. And for object, consonant ending is 을. Vowel ending is 를. Now let's put everything we've learned into practice with an example. Imagine you want to say I eat an apple in Korean. It transforms into 나는 사과를 먹어요. Here, 나 is I, the subject. 사과 is an apple, the object. And 먹어요 is eat, the verb. Now remember the markers. After the subject and object, we have to put marker. 나, the subject, ends with a vowel, so we have to put 는. For the object, 사과, also ending with a vowel, so we need to put 를. Time to practice. Remember the sentence order and markers. Ready? Let's begin. 나는 책을 읽어요. 나는 영화를 봐요. 나는 한국어를 공부해요. Great job, everyone. Keep practicing and I will see you next time. 다음에 또 봐요. 안녕.